You gotta learn to watch your thoughts.
What's up, LME gang? This is Grandma Faye. I'm back again today with the rest of my video. I'm doing a mukbang, eating me some spaghetti. The mukbang may not be as long as the cooking vlog because I don't want to go over time. But like I said, this is what Grandma Faye do. She cook and she eat. Yeah, and I got bread. I know I ain't supposed to have it, but I got it. Don't act like a hood. Talk about the bread. Because I'm going to eat the bread. But I was going to make cornbread, but I ain't have enough time, so. It's getting late. We got to eat so we can go to bed. That's good, y'all.
Mukbang, she my plate mukbang.
And of course I got water.
Fix only money, but she ain't fix mine mukbang. You think that's right, mukbang? Comment and let me know. Let me know.
That man over there talking over there because I didn't fix his plate.
Comment and let me know.
He said, comment and let him know. Was I wrong for that?
Let me know.
I broke another nail. Jesus, it's breaking off.
Subscribe first and then let me know what you think.
Oh, my poor nail.
Laughing at money. Money, you laughing at me?
Yeah.
So I said subscribe first.
I broke another one.
Yeah, I'm gonna come through with no shirt on.
I'm going to do my nails as soon as I get done eating, y'all.
I'm gonna be with no shirt on.
Well, just walk across. They can't see you.
Yeah, I can.
They did? Oh, well. He'll be all right.
Mine said yeah.
He should have had a shirt on again.
Mm.
And, babe, you're supposed to say LME family, not what you call them?
I said mukbang.
Mukbang. It's not mukbang. They're the LME family. They're your family. You should know them. You should get to know them. Shouldn't he, y'all?
LME family, let me know. She ain't fix me no plate.
They can't see you.
Subscribe and comment and let me know what
They
she
can't
wrong
see
for
you.
that. They can't? How you see Faye, you can't see me?
Because
The way she got the camera, she got the camera pointed on me.
They can hear me though.
they can only see that.
They can't see me right now?
On your arm.
What you want?
Oh,
What about now? Can they see me?
Your body.
Now?
A little bit like this.
they play with my camera. Please, don't play with my camera.
Why you laughing, buddy?
Cause you tripping.
I'm trying to answer my question.
You ought to come sit down with me and do this mukbang with me.
I was just doing it.
Now what's her?
Come eat, chit chat with me. Yeah, let me get to eating. Get me a shower. And I'm gonna sit down and watch TV for the rest of the night. Nothing else. Me and Money has cleaned the house, cooked supper. Well, we ate breakfast too together. And only reason why I'm not putting her on the camera because her mom don't want her on the camera. But the voice you hear in the background is my little baby. She was here when I first started YouTube. She was the one that said, Grandma Faye, CJ, so cool doing it. You can do it. And that's when I began. Mm-hmm.
You see me in the restroom?
I'm going to cash out you later.
Is that what was said?
Yeah.
Well, I ain't looking that cup.
It's been in the car.
Take some credit. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he just got off work, so, I'm going to be talking to him back and forth because he going to hold a conversation because when he come off work, this is what he do. He want to talk.
Why you got yourself on here? Mine did that.
That's how you run your time up.
What?
Talking.
I'll have to explain that to you in a little bit.
Run your time up. I
I know. I'll explain it to you in a little bit.
Well, on TV, run your time up. I get it.
Y'all, hold on. On YouTube, viewer viewing is a lot. It counts. Watch time, it counts. So it's just the watch time that they watch time when you're running it. Let it run. It's boosting you where you need to be.
Half battery.
He learned about YouTube, y'all. He wants to be a part, but he don't know how. He really don't know how. You can start a channel. I have another camera. It's no problem.
Now we said some crazy stuff on that. You
Your,
know me.
your everyday
How
life.
about-
Talk about your everyday life. That's all you have to do. What you do during the day. This is what I'm doing. I'm cooking. I'm eating. And when you're eating and talking, sharing with the family, you are doing a mukbang with the conversation with the family. And if you don't talk, it's ASMR. And you're just smacking. You have to have a
Like
microphone.
you doing the other day?
Yeah, that.
Like what the hell you doing? Yeah.
You were just smacking?
When you're smacking, just smacking and eating, drinking, it's called ASMR. Yeah, she's asking me questions too. They want to know, y'all, but they don't want to get involved. So now she running the camera for me. She don't want to go home. Yeah, yeah, I know.
But you might want to go home, but I can't say that.
I only saw it once.
She say?
Hmm?
She say?
I went home once.
You ready to go home?
Mm-mm.
What you go home and do?
She said she don't want to go home.
Go to sleep.
She wants to stay here with me. As
She
usual.
gotta do my hair right here.
Where you going?
I don't know. She gotta do my hair right here. Gotta take a bath.
She probably did. I didn't see her pass me up, but she might have went home.
Mm-hmm.
I went up there, that little girl won. I heard him when I got in the shower.
I broke my whole nail. I can't believe this. They steady breaking. I gotta go do my nails, y'all. Might as well
They
cut
always
them off.
broke when you get like
I might as well cut them
different
off. This hurt. It
kind
didn't
nails.
bleed, but it cut off all up in my meat and my skin.
I was with that prayer way too late. Look,
You got home too late. And stop cussing.
you just started at
It's
8.
bad for the
You heard them
Me
fire
family.
trucks and stuff. They had already.
It was just gave us the bumble and left.
I guess.
that was I heard the cops siren.
You heard it, Mike?
Mm-hmm. While we were riding in the car.
They did a drive-by parade. Somebody probably recorded it. You weren't gonna be sitting in those stands or nothing. They gonna pass by you in the car while you stand outside. That's what's the graduation was the parade.
No, it's in the stand. We seen it.
Oh.
You have to
Y'all wasn't back by
run.
there. It was in the stand. They were separated. Laws everywhere out there.
Mm. Well, guys, what can we talk about? I'm cooked.
Mm. Well,
Oh, you don't know
I'll
what?
wait.
Scott up that way too.
But
You heard me?
Do what?
Scott up that way too.
Mm-hmm.
I know about 5 6 black.
All right,
How
guys.
did you
I'm
get
almost done with this spaghetti. What you say, Mom?
how did you get it in the college? Like What do you have to do?
To get in college, you enroll. Just like you enroll in elementary, you enroll in college.
So do you have to still get a shot for college?
If you need shots, they give you shots too. Mm-mm. All right, guys, I done finished this
Okay.
mukbang. So, like I said a while ago, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. It's a mukbang. Wasn't long. I didn't have a lot to talk about because I don't like to talk when I eat. But y'all have me talking and stuff. Then these people be asking me questions and stuff. They wait till I get on live to ask questions, so I have to answer. So, just know, I love you. You love me. May God bless you. Have a great night. Good morning. Whenever you watch this, just enjoy your day, your night, or your evening. So, in saying that, I love you. You love me. In Jesus' name. And good night. Good morning. Goodbye. Stop it.
Which one?
Here are some lessons you have to learn.